Wide awake with 1, 2, and 3. Open your eyes, feeling great. So, do you guys have any pets?
Yeah, I have a cat. I have 2 dogs.
What are you guys doing? It's really interesting how you guys are acting right now. Let's try finding that there's a bowl of milk in front of you on the count of 3 with 1, 2, and 3. It's like because you have your little bowl of milk. Let's try and sit up for me now. Just sitting up. I tried in 1. So how are you guys doing? Meow. You know how like sometimes you'll like talk to your, like you have a cat or a pet, like you'll talk to it, like you'll see if it can like. Meow. I don't really know what you guys are saying, but maybe you guys can understand what I'm saying when I say meow. I like what Ditria is doing. That's definitely, she definitely has a cat. Join my Patreon for the full session with Tyler and Ditria.